What is good? What is good? Kingsley Joshua, Trade Lord himself, come to you live. Yo, it's been a while since I did a video. I've been busy, man. Just making money on the markets, building FDMO accounts and everything like that. My new strategy, that's been doing a nice between 40 and 50% win rate, with 3-to-1, within every 20 trades I take. So I do probabilities factor. I trade on the 1 minute. I only trade GBP USD now, right? And what I'm looking for is breakout, retest, confirmation candle, and a second confirmation candle. If we're above the 78 retracement, 78 moving average, which is this blue line right here, then I'll be taking a trade up. If it's below, I'll be looking for sells, right? So I'm not, go into my back testing already. I have a few that I did from last week. I always back test. And what I'm looking for is certain situations, which I'll, explain as I go on. But I only got 20 minutes here on Trading View. 20 minutes on Trading View. So I'll go right into it. All right. My thing can stop spazzing. All right. Let's get it. So we have a nice breakout here at this level right here. We're above the 78. I have my moving averages and I have my Bollinger Bands, of course, to give me exactly where the market's at and stuff. So just move on here. Now, I do see this level too as well. Do everything in great detail. So we have a nice breakout, retest to this level, right? Pass it, retest to my level right there. But that's not a retest I'm looking for. I'm looking for a red candle touching down and staying red, not a green candle so touching down and staying green. That's not a retest for me. Also see a confirmation candle, which is tiny. Confirmation candle, and we didn't get a second confirmation candle. We got a red one, so I'm not looking to take anything in this area. I trade very different. And this is what's worked for me, We got this nice this level right here. Breakout, retest, then come back above until here. So this would be a confirmation candle. And that would not be the section I'll be looking for. We have this level right here. Breakout, retest. So right here, this level right here. Now it wants to give me something like this here. Nope, that's not one I will take. I see a level here though. Do same on level here. So now we're below the 78. So now we're looking for sells. So we have this nice breakout, retest, confirmation candle, and that'll be a second confirmation candle right there. Now I put my entry right on the first confirmation candle. Do 6 pip stop loss, 18 pip take target. That's 3 to 1. Right, looking good. Now I have a target level, 12 pips. I want to see the market reach 12 pip area right here. I can see it come down and reach this level right here. Yeah. Doesn't give me that. And it goes up above. I do buy limits and sell limits. Entries only. So I'm not entering this in yet. I want to see the market go down first. And if it comes up, gets stopped out, I'll be deleting this. Well, I won't be deleting this. I'm not entered yet. I'm not wouldn't be entered in anything yet. I just want to see what it does. When it comes down, still didn't hit my area yet. Now, if it continues down and touches my area where I would then put my buy limit here, and if it goes past the 3 to 1 mark, I'll delete that buy limit, that sell limit order, and continue on. So not yet, not yet. Can you extend this? All right, now we hit my area. Now I'll be playing a sell limit order now in now. Like I said, it continue down, go past the 3 to 1 mark, and I'll be deleting that sell limit order. It's a long one. Now we're in a consolidation. Almost got tagged in, but not quite. All right, now we're tagged in. Sell limit is there, so we got hidden. Now we're going to see if we don't get stopped out or we don't come down to target. And at 2 to 1, I put my SL to break even. I can delete these lines because this is irrelevant now. It's already been run through. So we're still not at the 2-hour mark yet. Now it wants to come back up. So we have a nice solid base here. So we went right back up. So it's possible that we don't get stopped out on this one. And that's fine. Like I said, probability factor. Within every 20 trades, I get a nice 40, 50% win rate, 3 to 1. That's nice. What, 20%, 10% gain every 20 trades I take. The problem is what most traders have difficulty is they don't know what order those trades will come in. You don't have no idea, no clue, right? Because you're not a mind reader. So we came down. We almost got to the 2-hour mark, but not quite. And then we come right back up. So really, this probability-wise, this is looking to get stopped out unless some kind of news action happens or something. But I've seen this, tons of times. I use the Bullish bands as a little walls and stuff like that to see where I am in market. Now the Bullish bands were looking slightly to go up. Let's see here. Now we're back into profit. What a wild trade. Went down to the 1-hour mark around. What are you going to do, bro? All right, 2-hour mark. We should have our SL to break even now. And it's, patience. Patience is required. So SL to break even. We can't lose anything on this thing. I'm not taking partials or anything like that. Now it comes around I would say we're doing 3R, right? So my accounts are usually 1K, 200K FTMO accounts. So and then we get target. What a crazy trade, bro. So that'll be my first back test trade of the day. And I got to record it here. I had no idea what was going on. So call it SL win. So this is what I call a lightning strike win. And that's my lightning strike strategy, right? Go into detail. Basically, let the market, after I see a breakout, a retest, confirmation candle, second confirmation candle, the retest has to be the color, because it's really color coded right here. That's why I have, so breakout has to be, a nice solid, red candle. In this case, we're below the 78, right? Breakout, we have a retest. Now we have a retest here. If I can zoom in right here, we do have a retest here on this doji. I do count that as a retest, and another retest here. So we're just, and then it goes up, and I'm just waiting for the market to come back down to this level. And let me fix this right here. Get a nice, to come down to this level, right? And it can go up as much as it wants. This level we still identify as waiting for a confirmation candle and a second confirmation candle. So we have a confirmation candle here, which ended below this support level, right? And turned a solid red, right? And now I'm waiting for this next candle to be a solid red candle. I need it to be a bearish candle. If it's a green candle, I'm deleting this line. I don't want to do nothing with this area, and I'll just move on to this area right here that I see right here, right? But I saw it was a nice, solid area. Okay, good. Put our entry here, 6 pip stop loss, 18 pip take target, 1 minute chart, and I do that all the time. And I wait for the 2-hour mark to get hit before entering the trade or anything. I want to see this 2-hour mark get hit. If the market comes up here and say it comes down here, come close, it then comes right back up here, I'm not in the trade because I want to see this area get hit. We got this area clearly hit right here. When striked it nice and tap, that's all I need. That's all I need. Now I put a sell limit order in, right? Sell limit order is in, and now I'm just waiting to get tagged in. And if it stops me out, whatever. Like I said, probabilities, man, probabilities. You got to put that into, the factor. Every trader should know this. I always say this. What's your win rate within every 20 trades? I don't care about your win rate in one trade or something like that, no, that's not what it is. Probabilities, what's your win rate in every 20 trades you take? I have a sheet here, right? I don't know if I'm not going to show it, but I have a sheet here, right? And it tells me, because I'm, everything that I need to know. So if I get, so every 20 trades, I get a nice 45% win rate. Let's just say that, right? That means I'm winning 9 trades, losing 11. I don't know what order those trades are going to come in. Doesn't matter, right? You have 6 losers in a row. Still take the trade. It's you doing your job. You being mechanical. I'm not thinking in this strategy. I took all the thought out of it, right? I see, all right, breakout retest, confirmation candle. Okay, we have a situation here. We plan out the situation. I want to see it hit the 2-hour mark. Boom, we had that. 2-hour mark was hit. Now, I'm just waiting for entry. Where was the entry? Boom, right here. Entry right there. That's the target. Boom. Now we're just waiting for what? The 2-hour mark to get hit, right? 2-hour mark was hit. All right, SL to break even. Risk-free trade. Give it some space. Don't have your SL, don't put your SL to break even at 1 hour. Give it some space. And then let it just go. Just let it fly. If of course, if you get around here and it's playing around, I'll take profit. I'll take profit. What's another 2 extra $100 or 300 extra bucks? I'm hit the overall target, right? And then we hit the target on this one. Beautiful trade, beautiful, start of my back testing. And I'm glad I was here to share this with you. If you have any questions, just comment below. And Trade Lord out. And I'm glad to see you guys, and I'm back, baby. This is my lightning strike strategy. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.